Welcome to Rollin' Greasy, everybody. So today I have a new project. And no, it's not chickens, it's not a tractor. It's this sweet 1989 Ford F150 XLT Lariat. By the way, excuse the chickens in the background. They're just having a day. But so I picked this car up for, well, truck up for $1,000. It's got 83,000 miles on the odometer, which really means, 183. And it's a short bed, two-wheel drive, dual gas tank. The bed's a little beat up. Got some rust around the fenders on both sides. But other than that, the frame is clean. The cab is clean. The exhaust looks original and not even rusted. There's still paint on the leaf springs. Cab corners are all good. I mean, give a shot underneath this thing. Look at that. These are all solid. It's crazy that this thing doesn't have any rust. Made in the USA. I think that's the original muffler right there. Needs some exhaust patching. Look at that. The hanger's just doing its thing right there, but yeah, it's not bad for $1,000. I kind of wish it was four-wheel drive, but it's a good two-wheel drive. We'll put around town stick, haul some grain in the back, some food for the pigs. It has a fuel injected 4.9, the old straight 6, red interior, and 4 on the floor. A T19 trans. Jump in here. Factory air with the always gorgeous, and I do mean that jokingly, 80s red interior. But yeah, 87,000 miles, so really 187,000 miles. But I'm missing some knobs, but I went to the junkyard and I got some, so I'm going to be popping these on here. And shifter's a little bit floppy, as you can see. But I got parts for the shifter right there. And I got some other stuff that I'll talk about later. Those are some transmission braces and bolts. Because, well, let's just say it's missing those right now. But yeah, she's pretty sweet. These door panels are pretty ripped up. But I've got some door panels, a set of red ones I got out of the junkyard. I'm going to hopefully restore and throw on. This is a blue door panel I'm probably going to do some experimenting on for maybe clean up some oxidation. Trying to get this cleaned up. Some may note that this back window looks familiar, and yeah, this is the truck I put the back window in because it was busted out, and that went really well. But yeah, I actually just put this seat in today. I got this from Nate. He's been in some of the videos, and the other seats were pretty tore up, but this is a lot better. The foam's still really good in it, so I'm gonna run this seat and throw those door panels on it and hopefully get this thing in a little bit better shape. Clutch pedals are, well, the clutch pedal's a little messed up. I think it's the bushing has gone in the clutch pedal, but I did get a pedal box out of the junkyard, so I'm probably gonna throw that in and basically just get this thing in good running, working shape. I might paint it, do some body work, maybe fix these wheel well arches. Not sure, but I'm going to do some projects on it, and just I'm going to get it in the shape it needs to be a good run around town truck, and teach somebody to learn how to drive stick kind of truck. Pop the hood. And there it is in all its glory. 4.9 liter straight 6, fuel injected. It runs pretty good. A couple issues right now. One, no power steering, and the return line on the pump got broken off by the last owner. What else? There's this snaggle of electrical stuff going on right now. The battery doesn't want to charge all the time, so I got to figure that out. And the air conditioning needs fixed. I think I probably just have a leak somewhere. So we're trying to get that going. But it does run good. The engine runs really good, actually. So I'll go ahead and start it up. As you can see, if you can see it, battery light, check engine light, it just doesn't want to charge. If you fiddle with the wires out there on the start solenoid, sometimes it'll start charging, but she revs good. Idle's pretty good, especially for having like almost, what, 9.5 volts in the battery. So, but yeah, she's a good truck. The shifter is crazy right now. I think that's, where is it? That's second first, but it just gets crazy because there's basically none of those plastic parts in here in the shifter. But I'm gonna do a video on that. So, all right, well, yeah, this should be a pretty fun project, and I hope to enjoy it. And I hope that the videos I make for this thing are gonna, help some people fixing theirs. And hopefully get some other people, getting their old Ford trucks in good running shape. All right, well, there'll be more to come on this one. Stay rolling greasy.
They see me rolling greasy.